you're not going number two or three times a day, you're going to want to watch this video. Allow me to explain. What I want to show is this picture right here. You're going to see way up on top, you're going to see this yellow thing. It's called your pons. Now, you see that yellow nerve goes all the way down to all your organs, all your digestive system. So there's a big nerve called your vagus nerve. It comes from your top of your skull right here, brainstem, and goes to every single organ in your entire body. So this is very, very critical that you're going to the bathroom 2 or 3 times a day consistently. Because what the research shows, if you're not going to the bathroom 2 or 3 times a day, these bugs, there's bugs in your digestive system because you're not going to the bathroom, they can actually climb up and get right into your brainstem and cause problems. And in fact, the research has shown Parkinson's disease starts in the gut because these bugs climb up the vagus nerve, get into the brain, and then start causing havoc. So you need to be going to the bathroom, number 2 or 3 times per day, day in and day out. If you're not doing that, then you need to investigate what's happening with your gut. If you've enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.